Alright, so a rectangle has its base on the x-axis and its two upper corners on the parabola y equals 12 minus x squared. What is the largest possible area of the rectangle? So you need to figure out which equation you need to use. Well, we're talking about area of a rectangle. So our picture is drawn here. We have the parabola in white and then our rectangle in pink. So the area of this rectangle is going to be 2x times y. Well, y is 12 minus x squared. If we simplify that, we get 24x minus 2x cubed. And then if we take the derivative, that will give us 24 minus 6x squared. We need to set this equal to 0 again because we're finding the maximum area. So you will get x squared is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So one of those values will give us the largest possible area. Well, if we plug it in to our original a, we will get 24 times 2 minus 2 times 2 cubed, which will give us 32. If we plug in negative 2, that will actually give us a negative 32. So the maximum area of the rectangle is 32 units squared because we're talking about area.